friends. How is it going? I hope you're doing well. Our lesson for today will be about
different ways to respond to, how are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good. I'm quite well. I'm quite well. I'm really good. I'm really good. I've never been better. I've never been better. Or, never been better. Never been better. So far, so good. So far, so good. I'm alright. I'm alright. So-so. So-so. Not bad. Not bad. Couldn't be better. Couldn't be better. Same old, same old. Same old, same old. Good enough. Good enough. I'm not doing so well. I'm not doing so well. I'm struggling a bit. I'm struggling a bit. Not so good. Not so good. Not great. Not great.
That's all for today. I hope you found this lesson useful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next lesson. Bye!